God aften. Det er TV-avisen. God aften. Jeg kan ikke forstå noget i dag. Alt laver mine brætter her. Nå. De passer ikke helt mere til mig. Hvad er det her? Det er TV-avisen. Man kan vippe sine brætter op og ned. Se det gode TV, og have det en god aften. Godmorgen.
Det skyder kaninerne.
Deroppe.
Yes.
It's Nellie.
Del, sweet girl, how are you?
Hey, Sheba.
Bryn, I've got some news. I'm getting married again.
What?
Married.
Well, you were always one for surprises, Del. Who's
Dejlig time,
His
ikke?
name's James
Ja.
Kirkwood.
Sker herhjemme i morgen.
I'm a bit anxious, but I take it.
Kan I godt lide at se TV-avis?
Morning, Megan.
Sikkert nogle frække briller, jeg får.
Del?
Nå,
Bryn,
det er
I'll call you
dejligt
later.
og rigtigt.
Mum, you and James Kirkwood, what the hell is going on?
You obviously know, dear, or you wouldn't be in such a state.
I am not in a state. But who could blame me if I were?
However, I am thinking of selling this place and going off round the world with him.
Kør af!
That? David and I grew up
Bedste
here.
er,
Look at another one, Meg.
sig goddag til Oliver.
I manage the practice, which gives me an insight into the kind of man he is.
Oliver.
The first girlfriend he's had since his wife died.
Good. I'm glad he's kept his hand in.
Mother, 6 months from now, he'll be bored stiff of you.
With me, dear.
Wey.
With me.
Det er så Oliver.
Me, he won't.
Han kommer.
Does he come into this?
Det er TV-avisen. Oliver dækker TV-avis. Oliver, væk. Min briller. Jeg skulle have taget en lime på. Nå, nu er det lime. Der er en strøm.
Thought that simply getting married would upset people.
Øjeblik.
Speaking of which, you must tell Dottie.
All right.
Hej.
Put some clothes in the first station.
Far, kan du godt?
Beware, daughter's bearing gift.
We have come to reason with you about the patio.
Oh, reason away.
Well, it's just one big
Far,
deep down inside you.
Well,
vil du gerne skrive noget med, hvad der skal komme så dem, når jeg tager mit iPad med, så kan jeg vise TV-avisen film, og så tegner du vejret, og så viser jeg vejret frem. Okay?
so soon.
Skal jeg vise vejret frem?
Ja, tegn vejret.
What about wildlife?
Nå. I gang, når vi skal snart til at se om vejret, skal vi lige et øjeblik.
Du se, så skal vi have svært, det ligger her.
Ikke snart.
Lovely to see you.
Nå.
Og hvornår ligger der?
Unless you learned it from
Det er da ikke min mund.
My favorite
Og det skal være en sjov film.
Mine too. And I like that one.
Oh yeah. Vi venter til TV.
How are the children?
Something like two.
Øjeblik, jeg skal lige hente min mor.
5 years old, Jim. Of course they don't.
Yes, well. Last time I heard they were fine. Dorothy, I'm getting married again.
Well, that's good. That's good. Who to?
Dennis Mostyn.
Oh yes.
Kan du ikke
yes,
se, det er Danmark?
Yes, of course. Tell it.
Og Roskilde ligger lige
It will
her.
make you an excellent wife.
Og her ligger København. Og så skal vi ikke glemme Bornholm, den ligger her. Hej! Rasmus!
Actually, it is. Strange how you don't.
Nu kan mor vide det.
Anyway, the real problem is that she's selling it. Spending the family money, our inheritance, if you like.
Inheritance? She'll have to be dead for that.
What he means is she may need that money for herself later on.
There's some huge piece of land in North Wales or somewhere worth a few bucks.
I thought she owned that 50-50 with her cousin.
Half a pile of slate waste from you. Yeah, Bryn's offered her 500 quid an acre for it.
She was going to lend you the proceeds to expand your business.
She wants to catch it. I hope so. But with Jim Kirkwood.
Sådan der.
She's a doctor. Look after her.
There were rumours about him at the surgery.
Ja. Hov,
Girlfriend.
du må da ikke hive uden briller.
Some people say he pushed his
Hvad har
wife
du
into
tegnet
the
til TV-avisen?
Every time Mum catches a cold,
Ja.
Hvad?
we'll worry.
Ja.
Har du ikke tegnet det der med rødt og sådan noget? Værsgo, du får den rød,
Point is, what are you
så
going
de
to do?
kan se, hvor der bliver lidt værre. Okay?
Se, der kommer noget,
Vash.
en østenvind. Og så en blå en, altså.
Okay, fedt. Okay. Mens I bare venter, så kan I bare vente til TV-avisen kommer igen.
Se, det er vestenvinden, ikke også? Og der kommer en hel masse regn.
Jeg kigger lidt på den computer. Øjeblik er det sammen.
Sådan her. Og herover der kommer sne, Rasmus.
Men jeg kigger lidt på computeren, Asger.
Og der kommer sne i Roskilde. Og på Bornholm og i Sverige.
Kan I holde kæft alle sammen i Nordpolen? Et øjeblik, jeg henter noget.
Gud, hvad skal det være? Kommer der også nogle lyn, Rasmus?
Ja,
Hvor kommer de hen?
over i Sverige. Når I venter, så kan I nok vente på TV-avisen kom igen. Okay!
None of us guessed.
Så her.
Fy, Rasmus.
Kirkwood and his intended Mrs. Shelley Foster.
Øjeblik, Rasmus.
Megan, glass of money.
I have nothing to celebrate.
Bare hvis der er grønt noget, hvad så?
Nicest people in the world have found each other. Should be
Det ved jeg ikke. Det er mest om sommeren, Rasmus.
I had a meeting with one of our suppliers.
Skal vi lave noget i Norge?
Ja. Nå, imens, så er der kun én ting, der er tilbage.
Come and do a survey if you like.
Og så skal I nok komme til at kigge.
8 slabs one way, 5 the other.
Sådan.
400,000. I know. That's
Okay.
right. I'll get back to you. Thank you. 400 quid for
Der
one.
kommer masser af sne i
There's a Mrs.
over
Hutton.
det hele. Okay?
Ja.
Og lidt lyn og torden. Bum! Ja. It's stupid. Og hvad er dem der røde der?
Det er...
So I hear the midsummer ramblers.
Er dem der røde der?
Ja, det er sne.
Er dem der blå?
Det er regnvejr.
Regnvejr og sne.
Well, the
Der
barn
kommer også en
way, all right, but not.
hel masse vind. I Roskilde er ikke så meget sne, heller ikke så meget regn. Kun 2 regndrøber.
I've had a bit of news, and I don't know whether it's good or
Nå,
bad. So I decided to let you be
og hvad er
the
det der? Hvad er det der?
My son-in-law,
Det er i Norge. Det er...
getting married again.
I Norge er der masser af sommer,
Doesn't that rather depend on your concept of time?
ikke så meget vinter.
I see what you mean.
Vi plejer altså at gøre noget, men
His daughter, Sarah.
vi skal lige skrive noget til hende.
Don't get me wrong. I've nothing against Elith Mostyn. Her first husband was violent and brutish, and James is anything but, so good luck to her. However, when Sarah was
I
in the final
Norge
stages of her
er der
illness,
også lidt sne derovre. Kun én snefald.
and I know
i Norge.
this is hardly evidence, but there was
Det var
my
så
Sarah, holding on to
udsigten.
the last threads of life, hoping for a miracle. And there
Så
was death.